Alright, so this is day 4 of testing the opening range breakout on AMD, and it went pretty well. I had a really successful opening range breakout, and I held the stock a decent amount, taking some profits at that 1-to-1 profit target right around $19.80 on AMD. It kind of consolidated around that level. I may have gotten scared out a little bit too soon, but I took profits, my remaining shares, at about $19.65 or so, making $70 on the day. That is 3 out of 4 profitable trades using this strategy, and so next week I'll probably move up to using live money, and wish me luck. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, I do think I got out of this trade a little bit too early. If you remember, my plan with these type of trades is to let it work until noon market time, because a lot of times at noon stocks will start to reverse because of low volume and exhaustion, and so this one never really broke back under my entry and continued to push up. You can see it's at around 1990 at this point, and so I think the way I will continue to approach this trade is that if I get that 1-to-1 reward target that I look for, then I can let the remaining shares work unless it breaks under my entry. But as long as it doesn't break under my entry, I can let it work up until noon and then get out at noon, trying to take a much bigger reward versus the risk I take in these trades. And I think that makes a lot of sense if you think about it. And so yeah, looking at these results, I had 3 out of 4 profitable trades this week, and if you remember the accuracy rate that I got when I back tested the 1-to-1 target on the opening range, it gave me a 76% accuracy rate over a 3-month sample size. And even though it was a very small sample size this week, I still had 75% accuracy with this strategy, and so I love how it mirrors the back testing results, and that gives me confidence as well. But the overall gain on the week was $725 with a mix of 500 and 1,000 shares, with the biggest gain coming from when I actually let it work up until noon market time. And so I think that's a reasonable way to approach it, and it's something I'm looking forward to doing next week when I move up to live money. But remember guys, TradeNet is having their 20% off New Year's sale, and so if you're interested in using the broker that Mitch and I use, you can check out TradeNet and get 20% off the packages they have, and it does help support the channel because we do make a commission from it, and so we appreciate it if you go through our link if you're already interested in using TradeNet. But yeah, that's it for this week. So far, a very successful week using the opening range breakout, and wish me luck next week when I move up to live money with the opening range, and we'll see how that goes. But yeah, good luck. We'll see you all next week, and have a good day. Have a good weekend.